The other guard, number 33, Jonah Jacob. Forward number 88, Kenny Roca Curva.
Mga taga-Cainta na tumayo dito sa ating venue just to watch. Partly, ito si Jonah Jacob. Meanwhile, Jameson Hero, Ronning and Yari, bahagi na rin itong team yan. Jacob taking that free off the mark. And RG Bringas grabs the national finals. Nakalaban ni Leng Quezon. Dragged them to a Game 5 in that South Division Finals. Now, entering this 8th season of the NPL, so sa tuway evolution ng game niya, Coach Vic.
Oo, ano siya dati talagang he could drive, he could Ngayon, pati yung tira sa labas, meron na rin Apollo.
Getting to the scoreboard. Just going back to PAG, dati high flyer sa UP.
Yeah.
Went into the pros and received PA. Still going strong despite the age. All ending up with Kenny Roca. Swing pass. Jonah Jacob lumapit. High looper. Wow! Kobe ng Pinas with his first 3 points.
Dami ng fans dito, ha?
Tataka lang ako, kung siya yung Kobe ng Pinas, bakit yung jersey number 33? Nakuha ng Jacob working on Jameson Hero. Multiple pump fakes, gives it up to Malyari. Teardrop from Malyari off the glass again.
Ang daming nadi-discover na players, eh. There's so many players that you could see here in the Philippines na nakikita mo yung
Curva emerge as a player, Coach Boyd Fernandez. Nung season 5 pa sa Pasig, I don't know if you recall that he was part of that team that had Robbie Man 22-6.
talagang I didn't see that game pero you could see it now, talagang they really attack the paint. They want to score inside from transition, from the post, from offensive rebound.
44-29. Jonah Jacob. Foul. Sa solid 6'6 talaga eh.
6'6 na wingman eh.
So, familiar yan si Coach Gino dyan kay Martin Gozo.
Yeah, I remember na Martin Gozum is a player of Coach Rap Rivera. Naalala ko na. Defense nila, ang hirap pag makazone ng kalaban mo eh.
Kobe ng Pinas, bubungol sa 3. Big boy, offensive rebound. Putback is in. Just huge numbers. Atra still remaining unscathed. 7-0. RV Bringas 4. So Binyan, even though they win this big, hindi na sila makaka-move on. Kasi nga, kahit pa tumabla sila, 5-3. And even, ayun eh, yun na nga eh, 5-3 sila lahat. Sila yung yun.
Doon sa Mindoro.
Bringas tries a 3. Kobe ng Pinas, grabbing the rebound. Using that pick, drops it off. Lasco, nahanap sa ilalim. Kobe ng Pinas for 2!
And the crowd goes wild.
Mostly from the side of the bench of Binyan. Kobe ng Pinas, nakaagaw. Hanggang.
Players here enjoying the ball game.
Ganyan niya, nahanap sa ilalim. Hinihintay ko yung cheer eh. Kobe. Kobe. Dapat in-interview ni Sheila to eh. Ano bang masasabi ni Kobe na Pinas na break yung record ni Kobe? Sa second most points in an NBA game. But it's all fun and smiles for Binyan. And a lot of things to look forward to for them in the upcoming regular season na nalalapit na rin yan. We'll provide the announcements, I'm sure, in the next week or so.
Little adjustments na lang yan.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays make big time plays.